Today we have a MU0028, or more commonly known a G400, and there are 2 screws in the front and then should be 1 in the back. And we're going to disassemble this and we're going to clean it. This one also has a problem with the wheel, and if we look at the wheel we can see that there's a bunch of stuff there. So I have a feeling that the opto sensor that reads the wheel going up or down is so full of stuff that it can't read it. So we'll fix that. Also, you can notice that there are these little cutouts here and here, which make taking out the skates a little bit easier. And as always, do buy new ones before you disassemble your mouse, because you have no idea whether you can reattach the skates. There we go, the mouse has been disassembled, and now we can wash the parts. that's done, let's get to the top part. And now we're done with that. Now note that if this rubber coating starts to turn to a different color, that means that the rubber coating has gone bad. See my MX510 video for that. I needed to strip out the coating with isopropyl alcohol. But in this case, it seems that the coating is in still good condition, and we just need to rinse this with clean water to get the soap out. Then we have the problematic wheel. It seems that at least the grating is still okay. It is rather dirty, but we'll just clean that. There we go, much better. Now, if this thing is sticky after you've rinsed it with clean water and it has dried, then it needs an isopropyl alcohol bath. I usually put it in the ultrasonic cleaner with that, but this seems that it's okay for now. We'll see when it's dry. Then we have this thing. Note that there is usually lithium grease here, and you can add it there to aid the scroll wheel, but it's not strictly necessary. But in time, technically, it will cause the metal to rub against the plastics, so you should probably put it inside if you have some. Now we just need to rinse them, and we'll get back to assembling the mouse. Now the parts are dry, and we could go ahead and assemble them, but there's still one thing. It's this cable that has not been cleaned, and we're going to do that now. We take a makeup pad, isopropyl alcohol. You can also do this with soap water. It also works. And then we simply pull it through. If you use soap water, remember that you need to use another pad with clean water to get the soap out. check that all the buttons work. And since the wheel had some problems, there seems to be some smudge on the sensor. That should be clean now. Here's our wheel. It's been in the bath, so we'll take it out. It was a bit sticky after the normal bath, so I gave it an isopropyl bath. All done. Let's take this thing. At this point, you should have your new pads available, but since mine are on the way, I'm just going to put the old ones back. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If this was helpful and you watched so far, please click like, and I'll see you next time.